Hello and welcome to another lecture in KubeSphere, your cloud native platform course series by TechLatest.net. So far, we had covered course overview, objectives, then about the KubeSphere. Now in this lecture, we're talking about installation of KubeSphere on Google Cloud Platform. Basically, like we'll set up a VM on from Google Cloud Marketplace. Okay, so let's start our lecture. So what we have to do next? Go on TechLatest.net website, then click on product and support page. After clicking on product and support page, in DevOps category, you can find about the KubeSphere product. So click on KubeSphere product. Here you can see a lot of things like key benefits and all that stuff. So you can go through it also. Then now in this lecture, we'll cover GCP deployment guide. So click on GCP deployment guide here. Then here you can see that the setup and installation of KubeSphere or cloud native scalable DevOps on GCP. So this is the step-by-step guide. So what is our first step? Click on this link. This is direct link to your Google Cloud Marketplace. If you click on this link and open link in new tab, so you will redirect to Google Marketplace and your uh, product page. Okay, so I have done sign up here. Okay, so give me a minute. I will sign up here. Okay, so I will add my password here. Then here you can see that we'll successfully log in our Google Cloud, and here you can see the marketplace also, and this is the product KubeSphere for cloud native scalable DevOps. TechLatest.net simplify multi-cloud Kubernetes DevOps with KubeSphere. Okay, so this is the overview page. You can read about the overview and about the product pricing, all things. So let's start with the get started. Click on get started button. After clicking on get started button, you can accept these terms and agreements. Then click on agreement button. After this, wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will take some time to start the process. And here you can see that the successfully agreed to term. Now click on deploy button. And here you can see that it will started. Here you can see the checking the APIs, and this will open the page. Then deployment name. This is your deployment name. Then here you can see the zone. You can select zone according to your zone. Then machine type. So let's see what is the machine type on website. Okay, so here you can see that our machine type is basically N1 standard 2B CPU, 1 core, 7.5 GB memory. Okay, so we'll also select this machine type. Okay, so wait a minute. 4 CPU and high memory. So we have select the standard one. So this one is correct. I think 4V CPU core, 15 GB memory. Here I can't see the 7.5 memory VM. So we have selected this one and one standard. Then here you can see the boot disk type and other things. Then now we have to click on deploy button. Here you can see the message deploying virtual machine product. Then it will take 1 or 2 minutes to start and deploy your product. Here you can see that this may take a few minutes. So wait for a minute and then we'll start our next step. Now next you have to click on compute engine, and after clicking on compute engine you will see that uh, it will start. Here you can see the KubeSphere 1 VM also, and uh, then here you can find about the VM instance page. Then you can see a lot of things like that name and other things, the N1 machine type, CPU platform, all the stuff. Then next what we have to do, we have done with these steps. Now we have to select SSH option. So we'll do SSH, then click on SSH option, then click on open in browser window. Okay, so this will basically open your browser, SSH in browser. And from here we can log in our terminal, basically Ubuntu. So okay, so this will open SSH window in browser, switch to Ubuntu user and navigate to the Ubuntu home directory. Okay, so let's see what's. Yes, you can see that support to KubeSphere 1 VM. This is our VM name. Now you have to copy this command and paste here. Okay, so paste this command now, enter. Welcome to Fish, currently working directory, permission denied, welcome to friend. Okay, don't worry. This is nothing. Okay, so now cd copy this command and again paste here. Wait, okay. And here you can see that the Ubuntu KubeSphere 1 VM, this is a VM name. Now KubeSphere is being installed and configured in the background. This process may take a few minutes. You can monitor the installation progress by running the command below in terminal. Okay, so copy this command and run in the terminal. Paste here, then enter. Okay, so please wait for the installation to complete. You will see the following message: the locks key monitoring this process. Please wait for installation to complete. Once installation is completed, you will see how below message system will reboot after this and your SSH will disconnected. Okay, so connect again to SSH terminal, switch to Ubuntu user, change the password for Ubuntu user using below command. So let's see that it is it takes some time because like the installation takes some time. So wait for a minute. Now the password for the Ubuntu user side, you can connect to the VM desktop environment from any local Windows machine using RDP or Linux machine using Ramina. To connect using RDP Windows machine, first knows the external IP of the VM from the VM details page. Okay, so first we have completed these steps, basically the installation part. Okay, so let's see what happens here. Big. So please wait for installation to complete. Okay, so wait for some time because this will take some time. You can see that our terminal is now open again. Okay, so we have completed our these steps. Basically, the KubeSphere is being installed and configured in the background. You can monitor this step. So now let's set up the password. Okay, run this command basically in the terminal. So paste this command and then again give new password here. Again retype new password and enter. So you can see that message password is updated successfully now. Let's connect our VM to RDP. So if you are a Linux user, so you can use Ramina, and I am on a Windows, so I am using RDP for virtual machine. Okay, so search about RDP here, remote desktop option basically. Then from here you can copy the IP from VM instance space. So let's see where is our IP. So this is our IP, external IP address. Okay, and this is our VM. So paste the IP, then click on connect button. After clicking on connect, you can accept these terms. Basically, click on yes button. Then here you can see that we have successfully connected to remote desktop option now. Okay, so login as give username as Ubuntu and give password. So and click on OK. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes to start your VM. So let's see what is our next step. Okay, and then again go on website. So now we have to copy our IP address, okay, and paste in the browser. So click on advanced, then proceed to this IP address, and we can see that we have successfully logged in KubeSphere. Okay, so by default the username is admin and the password is this one. Okay, so you can see that we have successfully logged in our KubeSphere and like KubeSphere UI. Now you give password you are logging into for the first time. Please change your password. Okay, so we are changing our password now, and here you can give some strong password. Okay, so let me generate some password from ChatGPT, and then I will paste here. Okay, so copy this. Okay, so this is my password. I'm pasting here, then click on submit. So you can see that we have successfully logged in the KubeSphere UI. Okay, so this is the platform and you can do all the stuff here. So that's all about this video. I hope you guys like this video and also course. Okay, so don't share with your network and also show some love and support. So bye bye. We will meet in next lecture.